Get ready to step into a world where fashion and technology collide as we unveil a mesmerizing collection of extraordinary footwear creations that push the boundaries of imagination, craftsmanship, and innovation. We're going to be showing you 5 unique tech-filled shoes that you should buy today. Let's get into it. Number 5. Moonwalkers. Moonwalkers are the world's fastest shoes, and they can make you walk as fast as you can run. These battery-powered sneakers are designed with a smart algorithm that learns how you walk and boosts your speed naturally with a top speed of 7 miles per hour. With a fancy brushless motor and 8 wheels, they handle bumpy paths like champs. And guess what? They even bend at your toes for comfy, flexible movement. They're also very easy to slip on and off with cool magnetic buckles. Plus, a quick USB charge gives them the power to take you on a 6-mile adventure. They also make climbing stairs very easy, just a simple gesture, and they're in lock mode for easy climbing. Rain or shine, the Moonwalkers got your back. They're water resistant and built tough to handle puddles without a fuss. So say goodbye to boring shoes and get ready to walk, or should we say zoom, with Moonwalkers, the shoes that make you feel like you're flying. Number 4. Nike Adapt B 2.0. The Nike Adapt BB 2.0 is a badass basketball shoe that's like something out of the future. First off, forget about tying laces. These babies come with a self-lacing system that you can control from your smartphone or press on the shoe itself. How cool is that? But it's not just about the techie stuff. Comfort is top-notch too. With Zoom Air Turbo cushioning in the front and a cushy cushioner midsole at the back, your feet will be on cloud 9, ready to slam dunk with ease. Now here's the fun part. LED lights. Yep, this shoe has them. And they show off the battery level and lacing mode, making you feel like a basketball superstar. Plus, they even throw in a wireless charging pad and a nifty app, the Nike Adapt app, where you can tweak the fit, customize the lights, and check how much juice your shoes have left. Oh, and don't worry if your phone isn't around. They've got your back with a manual mode. These shoes have thought of everything. So lace up the future with the Nike Adapt B 2.0 and step into the game like never before. Number 3. Puma RS Computer Shoe. These kicks are all about that retro vibe, but they've got a secret. A built-in computer chip straight from the rad 1980s. Back in '86, they were all the rage as running shoes with a fancy pedometer to track your moves. Fast forward to 2018 and Puma gave them a modern makeover. And today, they've got Bluetooth connections and a slick app that monitors your steps, distance, and even those calories burned, a total fitness upgrade. There's also no need to worry about your phone running out of juice. These shoes come equipped with a manual mode. And that's not all. There's also a rechargeable lithium polymer battery that lets you rock these kicks for up to 5 whole days, and charging is a breeze with a handy USB cable. It's very easy to tell how much battery you have left thanks to the LED lights on the shoe. So if you're into retro cool with a modern twist, grab the Puma RS Computer Shoe and step into a shoe that's way ahead of its time. Number 2. The Indestructible Shoes. These are the superheroes of work footwear. These bad boys are not only built to last, but also super comfy and stylish, so you'll be strutting your stuff at work. They've got your safety in mind with steel toes, anti-slip soles, and shock-absorbing magic, keeping your feet out of harm's way from any workplace hazards. And very importantly, these shoes are totally breathable and lightweight, so your feet can stay fresh and comfy all day long. They're also water resistant, so you can wear them out in the rain or in shallow waters. Now here comes the fun part. With these shoes, you get to pick your vibe with different styles and colors. You can also choose to go high top or low top, or go classic and pick the all black look. So say goodbye to flimsy work shoes and say hello to indestructible awesomeness. Your feet will thank you. Number 1. Google Talking Shoes. Google teamed up with Yes Yes No, a media art company, to create shoes that have some smart moves. These kicks are all about the future. They're not just shoes, they're connected objects, exploring new ways to tell stories. With custom hardware and software, they can actually detect your movements, like walking, running, or even jumping. How cool is that? But here's where it gets really wild. These shoes have a sense of humor. They can crack jokes like "you're boring me" or even "call me Cinderella." Yep, they're basically your hilarious shoe buddies. And you know what's even cooler? They're internet stars. These shoes can share their story with the whole world using Google+. So while you're out there strutting your stuff, they're busy making waves on the web. So step into the future with the Google Talking Shoes. They're like no other shoes you've ever seen. Get ready for some high-tech laughs and a whole new level of storytelling. What do you think about these shoes? Let us know down in the comments section.